everyone, and welcome to the Dazzlers of Division A. It's time to dazzle. On our today's episode, we are welcoming our fifth dazzler, who is a competent communicator, stood first in the club level humorous speech contest, and throughout the journey, he made a lot of friends. Please help me welcome Toastmaster Hiren Dalal.
Thank you very much. Hello to you.
As your fellow members have told us, you make speeches based on observations. What have been your funniest observations so far that you included in your speech?
I took part in half marathon in Vadodara marathon event, and I was feeling so energetic, so young because I was doing so nice up to 18 kilometers. I was jogging very steadily and strongly. And when I was getting tired, I found that many people along the side of road, many spectators, they were cheering all the joggers. So I was feeling so enthusiastic. I was waving hand to them, and one of the spectator who was a lady, she shouted at me that, "Come on, uncle, you can do it." And she told me, "Uncle," all my enthusiasm died down. Anyway, I told my son. He started laughing a lot. And then I used that in my one of the table topic. And when I saw the audience was laughing a lot, I made a speech out of it.
That was really funny indeed. Okay, so as you are a Toastmaster for close to 4 years now, how does your family take it? Are they supportive?
My wife and my son, they are really very supportive to me. And my son is really very expressive about my every speech, because if he laugh, I incorporate that joke in my speech. If he doesn't laugh, then I realize that that's not a good one. If my wife usually never laugh at any of my joke, so if I can make her laugh, definitely it is going to be a good joke.
Are you mentoring people in Toastmasters? What approach do you use?
Well, I definitely tell them that you continue, and that's the main thing I tell them. There are two aspects of every speech: content and delivery. Content is what we get from our exposure to world by reading or by observing people or by visiting places or by our experiences. That's the content that we gather. But the delivery can only be done at the stage of Toastmasters, and that delivery can only be improved out of practice. And I suggest them that if you continue practicing, instead of getting any feedback or instead of any specific comments, which is little difficult for you to incorporate, but just continue and you yourself will start having the grip on delivery. And that way I try to mentor my mentees.
Now it's time for our fun segment. As we are Toastmasters, I have changed the tags to suit our decorum. In this segment, you will be given 3 tags and name of 3 Toastmasters, and you have to assign a tag to each Toastmaster. The tags are mentor, that is, you want to be their mentor; judge, you will judge or evaluate them; and pass, that is, you will pass their speech or performance or any event. So the first one is Sanjay, Neha, Arihan.
Aryan, because I haven't been, he is not associated with Vadodara Toastmaster, so I would pass definitely, because I do not have came across, but I would definitely like to judge Neha, and I definitely would mentor Sanjay. Sanjay is also one of the competitor to me. He is a humorous speaker and he would like to become even better humorous speaker, so we would like to understand from each other and mentor each other, in fact, so that we both develop.
Okay. Well, Sanjay also mentioned you in his Dazzler interview. He was saying that he always stood third because you were always winning. The next names are Pinky, Sunita, Deval.
Pinky is my mentor. I would definitely pass her speech, because I can anyway listen to her anytime, either on the TED platform or maybe any other places. Sunita, I would like to become mentor of, because I find that she is interested in humorous speeches, so definitely I can mentor her. And Deval is my friend. I can judge him anyway. So Deval is the person whom I would like to judge.
So, this was all from our fun segment. Moving on to our questions. What are some of the best practices of your club that the other clubs across the division can adopt?
Our club VTM is a society club, unlike any other corporate club. And being a society club, you will find all the differences, all the extremes, either in profession or in age wise. You will find from 20 years to 60 years of age, or profession wise, can be a doctor, can be a teacher, can be someone who is engineer. There are many things of our club. So when you come to our club, you definitely should expect something unexpected. Every speech would be something very different than any other speech, and very versatile talents you will be able to find in our club. So I would say that having mix and match of such talents will definitely a good idea to enhance anybody's knowledge, and that's the uniqueness of Vadodara Toastmaster Club.
We have got a lot of responses that you are comical. How do you make people laugh? Do you have a collection of jokes? Or it is just the way you say it?
I would add one more option here. It is the way I look, maybe, because my wife says that, Hiran, you don't require any jokes, or you don't have to prepare for any humorous speech. You simply go there in the stage, stand in front of audience, and the moment the audience will look at you, they will start laughing at you.
My sister says the same about me. You mentioned an unusual fact about yourself in the form. You try to be normal. Could you please define normal?
Once I become Toastmaster of the day, and at that time my theme of the day was, there is no such thing as free lunches, and I really mean about it. I felt that yes, in life there are nothing for free. So anything you want in your life, any achievement you want, if you want money, or if you want praises, or if you want certain positions or certain achievement or even success, everything you have to pay price for that. And when you are pushing a lot for one achievement, you are paying too much price for that, you might be missing out something else in the life. So it is better to be normal in every phase, every aspects, so that you can spread out your experiences throughout your life. Because Sadhguru also says that life is nothing but experiences, because there are many years you are not on the earth, and many years you will not be on the earth. The life of earth is very long, and your life is just a blink compared to that. So gain as much experiences that life has to offer. So being normal, I feel that will help me achieve more experiences of my life. That's what my personal feeling about it.
Thank you so much, Hiren, for such a humorous, funny, and amazing interview. I'm sure you made all of us laugh a bit more in the time of this pandemic. Thank you so much.
Thanks to you, Richa. I really feel very good that you took out time and talked to me. Thank you very much.
Recognizing the efforts of Toastmasters